So this is a rice storage container with a pour spout on it. It's a great way to keep your rice fresh and ready to go when you need it. My name's Robin. We're going to talk a little bit about this one today. What we're going to do is first fill up this container. It's a very easy container. It takes the whole thing. It doesn't look like it, but watch this. The whole box, 1.2 kilo container, it's going to go inside of this actual bin. That's very impressive. Very nice. It's easy to then put on the lid and then be able to use it when you need it. Now there is a measuring cup included with the actual unit. Acts as the cover as well. There's a rubber ring there, holds it all tight. It also stops it from spilling, which is also another impressive thing to have. Now of course the cup can be used to measure out your rice, or you can take it and use it in a standard measuring cup. Remember, it's as simple as equal parts of rice, water, a little dab of butter, a little dab of salt, and you're good to go. But outside of that, this is so simple. Again, pour out as much as you need, put the cover back on when you're done. It's ready to go for next time. It's that simple and it's that straightforward. Everything's easy to use and even has a measuring on the cup itself. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything more than that, right? I mean, how easy is that? Look at this. Take off the cover. That's simple. If you need to top it up, add your rice back in. Boom, just like that. Simple handle grip action in the back, and the spout is covered and it won't spill. Really nice. I like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.